I'm about to have a business meeting with my business partner, which is actually so much fun. But today I'm just in such a cozy mood, and it's raining outside, and I just feel like this is a suitable business spot. Like, here is something that looks amazing, like a business meeting place, not a fucking office. Like, how amazing is that to be able to do a video meeting here? I'm so fucking grateful. I just got off a 3-hour fucking meeting. But the good thing is that I was able to do it from the sofa. So that felt really good. It's so fucking exciting. So we are organizing a business event here in Sweden in September, and it's going to be so fucking epic. Can't wait. But it's a lot to organize, and content to edit, and have contact with the venues, and it's just a lot to organize, but it's so fucking fun, and we're gonna help people launch their dream businesses, basically. So it will be cool. It will be cool. I am debating whether to walk to the store and buy some chocolate, or I have ice cream at home, or if I should not do that at all, and just go for a walk instead. It doesn't mean that I can't go and buy chocolate, but I really would like a specific chocolate bar that has these nuts in them. It's like here we have a chocolate bar, like a brand called Marabou, and they have something called a whole nut chocolate bar. So it's these, I think it's hazelnuts, but I think it's like roasted hazelnuts or something. They're so fucking delicious. But I always get acne when I eat chocolate. So it's always good to just eat a lot of chocolate when you're not having a content day around the corner. And this challenge is over soon anyway. So that actually, fucking hell, maybe I should go. That would be so fucking lovely. A walk that I need and chocolate. Why not? Made it back home. Like, usually, look at that. Usually I like my chocolate frozen. I think it tastes best, but now I don't have time for it to be frozen. And I also, I can't eat chocolate really whenever I want because I'm lactose intolerant. So I need to sync that with when I can take like these pills that can help you with the lactose. And now I've done that. Okay. I will make myself a chill evening, and I will watch something nice, entertaining on YouTube or TV, and then after that I will probably put up this video. And tomorrow is the fucking last day. Tomorrow is the last day of the challenge. It's crazy. But I feel like this has changed me. Not changed me, but changed me more to me. I love that. Okay. Thank you, my loves, and I will see you tomorrow.
Nuane foda kudus nganga ay kauda asyute kauda nganga Abawashi daya mama ay nganga dai watiskinga